Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create and sell digital products with Canva step by step. First of all, open the Canva app and pick a product. Example, let's say a template or a planner or a ebook, and then you are going to customize your design with text, graphics and branding. Then export your product as PDFs or PNG. Click on the top right corner that looks like an arrow coming out of a box, and then click on more, and then to save click at least to save go ahead and save it as a Microsoft PowerPoint or PF or a PNG, and upload your product to marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad. Safety tip: avoid using Canva free assets for commercial safe sale if not allowed. Quick fix: if your file is too large, split it into smaller parts before uploading. And that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials and money making tips.